Do I need to hire a professional to repair my Honeywell thermostat, or can I fix it myself?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether you need to hire a professional to repair your Honeywell thermostat or if you can fix it yourself. Honeywell thermostats are widely used and trusted, but like any other device, they can sometimes encounter issues. So, let's dive in and find out the best approach for repairing your thermostat.
Assess the nature of the problem.
The first step in determining whether you can fix your Honeywell thermostat yourself is to assess the nature of the problem. Is it a minor issue like incorrect settings, display problems, or connectivity glitches? Or is it a more complex problem involving wiring, electrical components, or malfunctioning hardware? If you're facing minor issues, you can often fix them yourself. Honeywell provides detailed user manuals and online resources that can guide you through troubleshooting common problems. Additionally, you can find useful troubleshooting information on various online forums and communities.
Basic troubleshooting steps.
For minor issues, here are some basic troubleshooting steps you can try before considering professional help. 1. Check the power source. Ensure the thermostat has a stable power supply. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to make sure the thermostat's power source is functioning properly. 2. Inspect the batteries. If your thermostat uses batteries, check if they are charged or need replacement. 3. Clean and reset. Dust or debris on the thermostat's components can sometimes cause malfunctions. Gently clean the thermostat using a soft cloth. Additionally, try resetting the thermostat to its factory settings and reconfigure it. 4. Update firmware. Check if there are any available firmware updates for your Honeywell thermostat. Updating the firmware can often resolve compatibility issues and improve functionality. 5. Check the wiring. If you're comfortable working with electrical components, you can inspect the wiring connections. Ensure all wires are securely connected and properly seated.
Complex issues and professional help.
While many problems can be resolved through basic troubleshooting, some issues may require professional assistance. If you encounter any of the following situations, it's best to hire a professional. Complex wiring issues. If you're not familiar with electrical work or unsure about handling wiring problems, it's safer to call in a professional electrician or HVAC technician. They have the expertise and tools necessary to diagnose and fix complex wiring issues. Malfunctioning hardware. If you suspect a hardware problem, such as a faulty temperature sensor or damaged circuit board, it's advisable to seek professional help. They can properly diagnose the issue and replace any defective components. Warranty considerations. If your Honeywell thermostat is still under warranty, attempting repairs yourself may void the warranty. Check the terms and conditions of your warranty before attempting any repairs. To wrap things up, whether you need to hire a professional to repair your Honeywell thermostat or can fix it yourself depends on the nature of the problem. For minor issues, you can often troubleshoot and resolve them on your own using the resources provided by Honeywell. However, if you encounter complex wiring issues, suspect malfunctioning hardware, or have concerns about voiding your warranty, it's best to seek professional help. Remember, safety should always be a top priority when working with electrical components. I hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.